You know those dreams that just sit there and collect dust? I had one of those dreams and I decided that this year I would tackle it. My goal was to create a garden box. But for a long time, this dream just sat there. Kind of like it was put on a shelf waiting for me to finally pick it up again. That goal that you think about but just never get to. That was this goal. Projects that are new to me are super overwhelming, and sometimes that just stops me altogether. But this time I didn't want fear to stop me from moving forward. I wanted to be able to learn a new skill, to be creative, and to accomplish my goals. So I did some research, found a box I wanted to build, and got ready to purchase materials. But a quick Google search brought me to a halt. My garden box was too big. Intellectually, I knew that this wasn't a big deal and that I could easily move past this, but for whatever reason, the path of least resistance was just to stop for a while. But that desire, that goal was still in me. And so eventually I went back to the drawing board.
Sometimes I feel like a failure, 'cause I planted all these seeds. But like a wash pot never boils. I wait but don't see any green. But then suddenly seasons change, the world keeps turning. Isn't that the joy of living?
It might seem like this is silly and small, but sometimes for me, it's the this should be so simple things that are the hardest things. This project has taught me a lot. One of the things it has taught me was that I can do hard to me things. I can overcome and grow and do scary things. When I was going to pick up wood at Home Depot, I found myself really struggling. It's so weird how something that should seem so simple can be so easily hijacked by fear. It ended up being the simplest thing in the world, but for whatever reason, my brain turned it into this huge hard thing. But going through that taught me that I can overcome and do scary to me things. I also learned to rely on the people I trust. I had some help along the way from these wonderful people in my life. Even though I tried my best to do what I could on my own, I needed some guidance, and having these people along for the ride was the perfect way to grow and have people involved in the process too. So you know that thing, that big scary thing that you've been putting off. Maybe it's a little goal, maybe it's a big goal. This is just a little reminder that you, yes you,